Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the KitchenAid versus Bosch refrigerator. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which refrigerator is better. So the main difference between the KitchenAid and the Bosch refrigerator is in the design. KitchenAid refrigerators have a traditional, sleek look characterized by rounded edges, soft lines, and chrome accents, designed to be timeless. On the other hand, Bosch refrigerators have a modern, minimalist design characterized by flat door panels, hidden hinges, and integrated handles to fit into most modern kitchen designs. The design aspect is a draw because it boils down to personal preferences. Features: KitchenAid refrigerators have more basic features, such as adjustable shelving, water and ice dispensers, as well as temperature control. Conversely, Bosch refrigerators have advanced features, such as air purification systems, humidity-controlled compartments, adjustable shelving, water and ice dispensers, and temperature control. The Bosch refrigerators are better because they have more advanced features. Price: Bosch refrigerators are more expensive, probably because of the more advanced features. On the other hand, KitchenAid refrigerators are less expensive. KitchenAid refrigerators are better because they are more affordable. Energy efficiency: Bosch refrigerators are highly rated in terms of energy efficiency, meaning that they are highly energy efficient. KitchenAid refrigerators are energy efficient but depend on the model. Bosch refrigerators are better because they are highly energy efficient. Noise level: Bosch refrigerators have reduced noise levels ranging from 34 to 45 decibels. On the other hand, KitchenAid refrigerators have a noise level ranging from 35 to 50 decibels. Therefore, Bosch refrigerators are better because they're quieter. Comparison table: the table shows that Bosch refrigerators have a modern minimalist design, are available in various sizes, have more advanced features, and are more energy efficient and quieter. On the flip side, KitchenAid refrigerator is less expensive but has a traditional sleek design and is also available in various sizes. Similarities: KitchenAid and Bosch refrigerators brand offers a range of options in terms of size and style, and have similar features such as adjustable shelving, water and ice dispensers, and temperature control. Verdict: which is the best choice? Bosch refrigerators are the best choice because they have more advanced features, conserve energy, and are quieter. Although KitchenAid refrigerators are noisy, they are more affordable. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.